Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add page or slide numbers in PowerPoint. So select your first slide, then click on view and here click on slide master. Now here insert, click on header and footer, check this box slide number, then click on apply to all. Now here insert your number. Now format your number. So change the size, color. And now in the slide master, close master view. So as we can see, we have this numbers for this slide or for this page. So thanks for watching guys. Comment on this video useful for you.